The idea of Imam Sadiq alayhi salam 1400 years ago about the anatomy and physiology of human body resembles the up-to-date knowledge and scientific experiments. He declared that there are different elements in human body and their fluctuation causes disease. Medicine is the name of this fluctuation. Imam Sadiq described the arrangement of different bones, joints, arteries in human body. Whereas in 1894, French scientist Mara was murdered as he started his research on human body. Imam Sadiq narrated, there are certain rays which discharge from the sick body and make the healthy one ill. Now scientists have started treatment from the rays, which is called chemotherapy. Imam Sadiq said, environmental pollution decreased the age. Recently in Japan, a dangerous ethyl disease has been found due to environmental pollution. Imam Sadiq advised the mothers that they should put to sleep their kids toward the left side of the heart. It can be explained as the kid enjoys a deep slumber as he used to the throbbing of the heart of the mother. It is verified through the latest machine via sono and holography. Imam Sadiq explained, rays from things fall in our eyes and hence we see. In Oxford University, Roger Bacon proved it and manifested that light and rays come from things which can be enlarged through telescope. Imam Sadiq answered 132 questions to the Hindi physician about the human body structure. Imam Sadiq answered that due to the lines on the forehead, sweat does not enter into the eyes. There are no hair on the palm to identify the things. The hind side of the elbows are helpful to step forward the human being. If feet were flat and smooth, then it becomes difficult to walk. Hence, due to the pressed inner part of the feet, walking is easy. Due to severe eyes, medicine does not flow. The white fat of the eyes is preserved and safe due to the salty tears of the eyes. The bitter water of the ear does not allow the insects to enter the ear. The bandages of the hand are helpful to clutch the things, and the nails at the end of the joints make the clutch strong. The joints in the human skull relax human body from headache, nor divides the light into two equal parts. For proper perception, there are no hair on the palm and sole. He further said, blood should be shed in between two fingers to distinguish the dead body and the alive body. The brother of Caliph Harun Rashid, Ibrahim Saleh, died. Hindi physician Ibn Bahala read the idea of Imam Sadiq when he cut open in between the two fingers of Ibrahim Saleh. Hindi physician found the symptoms of life. Hence, the brother of Harun Rashid recovered after treatment.